oximeter is a recommended tiny device during a bout of COVID-19 or any respiratory illness. It also can be used to monitor pulse rate and SpO2 for the elderly, pregnant and children, and sports enthusiasts. It's advisable to keep it handy in your medical kits, just like keeping thermometers. How to use: 1. Remove any nail polish, finger tattoos. 2. Warm up your fingers. 3. Place your middle or index finger correctly on the probe. 4. Make sure you are sitting still. 5. Keep the device in place for at least a minute if the reading is not stable. An ideal blood oxygen level is between 95% and 99%. If your SpO2 rating dropped to 94% or lower continuously, please check in with your doctor. And remember, don't panic. Tips to choose an oximeter: 1. Fingertip pulse oximeter is the best fit for home use. 2. Choose an oximeter is produced under ISO 13485 system and with CE FDA approved. 3. Don't choose a cheap oximeter. Its inaccurate ratings may mislead you and your doctor and turn out to be extremely serious. 4. No need to pay a high amount for impractical features. What you need is just an accurate rating and a clear display.